busSTRUT is a busway system. Busway systems are power distribution systems, and they're typically used in commercial spaces to reduce the amount of times power needs to be brought out from the panel. Busway systems reduce home run feeding. And with busSTRUT, that is no different. But we have an added advantage as opposed to traditional busways. We have busSTRUT that is rated for 40 amps per circuit, and we have busSTRUT that is rated for 20 amps per circuit. We use the 40 amp rated busSTRUT, typically double decked, so you have up to 40 amp circuits fed along this double deck run. And this double deck run feeds the branches of busSTRUT that go perpendicular to this double deck, oftentimes referred to as a trunk system. busSTRUT eliminates the individual fusing required typically in busway mounted devices. Instead, busSTRUT only requires one fuse between the feeding trunk run and the branch of busSTRUT. So all the devices, light fixtures, power drops, you don't need to fuse each device. Instead, this 40 amp, 4 circuit, 160 amp total busway is fused down when the power is distributed to a branch, so all types of devices can plug into this branch of busSTRUT and not require a costly and frustrating fuse.